You chose print on demand to make money and be your own boss. Not to spend time dealing with reprints and refunds, say hello to Printify Connect, a simple way for Printify to take care of your reprints and refunds directly without your customers ever knowing it was us. And it's free with every Printify Premium subscription. Let us make customer support easier for you behind the scenes without ever referencing Printify, so you can spend more time growing your sales. To set up Printify Connect, simply open your store settings page. Find Printify Connect, check the box to opt in, and click Save. You'll need to do this for each store that you want to use with Printify Connect. This feature is available across sales channels like Shopify, but note that it's not yet available for marketplaces like Etsy, eBay, and Walmart. Once your customer receives their package, they'll automatically get an unbranded email asking them to rate their experience. The email doesn't reference Printify in any way, just your Printify store name in the subject line, a link to your online store, as well as your store order ID number, the tracking number, and the number of items from the order. In the email, your customer will receive a unique link for their order, opening a page where they can see tracking and order details. They won't see any reference to Printify on this page, only your store name. On the page, they can report a problem directly to the Printify support team, as well as rate and review their order. They'll need to select the issue and provide photos showing the problem. If your customer reports a problem, we'll notify you right away via email. In cases where your customer misses the email and reaches out to you wanting a reprint, you can copy and send them the link for Printify Connect from the order details page, and we'll take care of the rest. Our team will carefully review each submission and issue a reprint if applicable. In case your customer requests a refund, we'll always reach out to you first. If any information submitted by your customer is missing or incomplete, we'll reach out to you before proceeding with the solution. If you're able to provide the missing information, we'll reevaluate the situation and either automatically reprint or proceed with a refund. In cases where the customer is ineligible for a solution, our support team will provide you with full details so you can take over with confidence. Printify Connect. Manage less, earn more.